Hey guys, is your internet not working properly? A quick network reset can fix connection issues in Windows 11. So let me show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. Go to search bar, type settings. As you can see on the top, click on it. Now look for network and internet. As you can see in the left corner, network and internet, tap on it. Now you have to scroll down a bit, and in the last you can see advanced network settings. So click on it. Now in the more settings query, you will see the last option here, network reset. Now you will see here network reset option. This will remove and then install it to all network adapters and set other networking components back to the original setting. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterward. So guys, after clicking on resetting now, this will reset all the network adapters, and it will also reset the saved Wi-Fi networks, and password will be removed. Your network should work normally after reconnecting. And that's it. I hope you like my video. Subscribe for more Windows tips and drop a comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.